So color is determined by how light interacts with the gem's crystal structure, as well as what elements actually make up that gem. Certain elements give gems red color, green color, and blue color. The most popular colors definitely follow fashion trends, so what you're seeing in clothing, fashion, and accessories is definitely goes into what's popular in gems and jewelry, as well as really bright, vibrant gems are generally very popular as well. Definitely some people tend to vibrate towards a certain type of colored gem that corresponds better with their coloring and personality, but definitely gems do go in and out of season depending on trends in fashion. Some gems are known basically by color, and there is a very limited range into what color those gems come in. Gems, there are so many different varieties. They start off with your amethyst, your aquamarine, all the way down to your zircon and zoisite, which is the mineral tanzanite. Out of the mine, they basically look like transparent rocks. So cut is really determined on the outward form already of the gem. For instance, if a gem is long and tabular, you're going to see a very elegant emerald cut being cut out of that. If a gem is more squat and round in shape, you're going to see maybe a round or an oval being cut out of that. From a gemologist standpoint, you're basically the trained advisor, so you're supposed to recognize what causes the color in gems, actually point out the most desirable color in a specific type of gem. Notice what the cutting proportions are, if it's good or regular, and if there's any treatments that have been applied to the gem that improve color or clarity.